comrade Israel Warrior People, State Chairman, Maritime Workers Union. Yesterday, when this incident occurred, they called me and said, look at what is happening, and immediately I rushed down. When I got down here, all effort to get in touch with the fire service to come and save the situation was really aborted, because the fire service now reminded us that 2 years ago, they came here and they came late and they were chased away. Some of them were beaten. Based on that, they did not come to rescue us that yesterday. But meanwhile, 2 years ago, when similar incident occurred, we met with the commissioner by then, and we pleaded with him that as big as this place, it will be proper for us to have at least a fire service station here. There is a filling station, so a fire service is supposed to be put there, so that when such thing occur, we can easily put it up before it escalates. But up to this moment, they promised us through the Commissioner of Police that took us to his office that time. But up to this moment, that thing did not come. Luckily, this morning too, the Commissioner repeated this morning. And we now reminded him too that remember that 2 years ago that you promised us fire service, and up to now. So, Secretary, sir, we are begging, now that you are involved, help us. You can see the level of damage. We don't know the number of lives that have lost. We know that maybe from 5 o'clock this evening, some of them might start floating. But this morning, 2 have floated.
Are you saying somebody must have died?
Yeah, people died. They
fell into the water?
Yes, because the boat was loaded when the thing happened.
Okay.
So we cannot say that everybody came out. Even our driver, we are also looking. We don't even. Yes, sure. We don't even know the whereabouts of the driver.
Join the official team of the governor to come and see what is happening. So I want everybody, all of you, those affected, please, I want you to know that the governor is aware of what has happened. He is seriously concerned about it, and he is seriously sympathizing with all of you. We are still trying to assess and know the nature and extent of damage here. And as soon as we get all, by the end of today and tomorrow, a report on it will be made to the governor so that he will know exactly what to do. What to do to help the affected people, what to do to stop this kind of thing happening again. And please, please, he said I should let all of you know. You all know this is Harmattan season. Although it's January, but it's still Harmattan season. And so what it means is that it's easy for this kind of things to happen. And that's why all of you need to be careful, particularly people handling combustible items like diesel and petrol that you people use here for your boats and vessels. So please, everybody needs to be careful, because no matter what the governor does, if you are not careful, it will be difficult for us to avoid fire here. So please, he has asked me to appeal to all of you. Be calm. Also, be very, very careful because of the season. He has sent me as Secretary to Government. He has sent the Ministry of Special Duties, Fire Service and Emergency to come and look at the situation and give him immediate brief so that he will know what to do as he is coming back. So that is why we are here. We have seen the situation on ground. We have heard from the Maritime Workers Chairman the complaints and, of course, the recommendations he has made, the need for quick reaction time in terms of fire service station and all that. We have had all that, and we will give our report to the governor. So be assured that His Excellency, the Governor, Siminalayi Fubara, his heart is with you. He is with us in spirit now, and he will make sure that this kind of thing, we all work together to avoid it. And we will assess what the situation on ground is in terms of what has been damaged We can see this building that is completely burnt down. We can see the jetty that is damaged. We have seen most of the damage here. Be assured he will take every possible step to assuage your feelings.
Then, it's one of the things.
Get away from there.
Okay, not this boat.
There's three of the other ones.
Hold it on. Is that the jetty? Okay, the other one is the jetty.
Yeah, that's the internal jetty.
This building is for...
For toilet.
Okay, the public toilet.
Supply. So what do you think happened there now? Now, that explosion now affected you and here now. It blew out.
For that building, it's still in use.
Yeah, it's
just
still
that
in
the
use.
glasses
Glasses.
and maybe slight renovation.
Send us fire service.